Lomakhiwo ubonako kulapho thina bothina sikhona. Indaba ezisizhatsha ngawo wonke amalimi asemthethweni. Nanzi ezijujileko.
I could see myself in him every time he would express the passion that he had for the city. But the sad thing is that he would die in the very same city in such a tragic way.
Ingenile imlayezo yokuchiriya umndeni nabathandi bomrhatsho obuleweko uDJ Warras Stock obekaziwa ngelika DJ Warras.
Many people are complaining about this crime. Even my house they came.
Abantu belokutshini lakamagugu eMbombela basathukiwe ngokutholakala kwabantu ababili babulewe bachiwa babulanzi.
Siberegisa kukhulu Roman Dutch law. Asithuthukiseni nathi our own customary law to be equals to Roman Dutch law. Kupalala.
Ingwenyama yamaNdebele uMakhwasoke wesibili uthi imithetho eminingi ekubuswa ngayo ilizweli ayibasebenzile abantu abanzima ngombana mithetho yamaRoman neDutch eyaziwa ngeRoman Dutch law.
Are ready, everyone is ready, the technical team is ready, the support staff is ready, and we believe that we're actually going to go all the way. That's what we want to do.
Umthwalo usebhokweni esiqhemeni sekhethu bafana njengoba nayiqalisa inyawo eMorocco emidlalweni yeAFCON. Kuyathabisa ukuthi sinande sihlangana ngendaba zesiNdebele kuSABC 1. NginguCedric Mwebya, Lotshane emakhaya. Ingena iyalandela imlayezo yokududuza okulandela ukubulawa komrhatshi obuye abe ngusozazi wako uWarras Stock obekaziwa ngelika DJ Warras. uStock weminyaka ema-39 ubudala udunyezwe emini emakhiweni ophambi kweCarlton Center edrobheni leJohannesburg izolo.
Polisi uDJ Warras uvelelwe amadoda amathathu angaziwako ngaphambi kokumdumuza. Unobangela ukubulawa kwakhe khathesi akaziwa. Amapolisa asabhudulana nabasolwa. Umlingani ngokomsebenzi walokho uDJ Sbu umhlathulule njengomuntu obekathanda umsebenzi wakhe, athanda impilo begodu amafulufulu. Iphimbo lakhe lithinta amaSouth Africa.
One of the things that I loved is the love that he had for the city of Johannesburg. I grew up around the city as well. I moved around the city when I didn't have a car, even when I was still a student. A lot of us come to Joburg to seek for those opportunities, or maybe we're coming here for education. I was one of the people that used to use trains here coming to Doornfontein at the time. It was not even University of Johannesburg. It was Wits Tech. And I remember the streets of Joburg, Joburg Park, Hillbrow, Yeoville, just that era, and having to see people like him who are embracing Joburg right now in 2025, showing love to Joburg. I'm sure you also might have seen a picture of him in the middle of the streets in Joburg. I think he was raising his hand or something, saying, "This is my favorite city in the world. I love this city. I love Joburg too." And I could see myself in him every time he would express the passion that he had for the city. But the sad thing is that he would die in the very same city in such a tragic way, of having to have his family come and remove his body or maybe wipe his blood on the floor. No parent wants to see that, especially when he is a father himself. He is a parent. It's quite a sad thing indeed, and condolences to his family and his loved ones.
Umngane wakhe akhule naye uRin Bater uthi umkhumbula njengomuntu obekanezwelo athanda abantwana bakhe begodu akhuthaza nabantu abatsha abaningi eFreiheit. uBater uthi impilo kunye nebizo likaStock liveza imiphumela ukusebenza ngokuzimisela.
Umphakathi weMpumalanga usathukiwe kulandela ukutholakala kwendumbe ezimbili zabomma ngaphakathi kwendlu lokutshini kamagugu eMbombela. uEunice Mahlodi noDineo Masuku batholakele izolo babulanzi, indumbu zabo sele zithoma nokonakala. Amapolisa athi indlu le kade ilodlelwe begodu kucekeziwe, kodwa akunamathwaya atshengisa ukuthi kucekeziwe.
Sako uEunice Mahlodi weminyaka ema-64 ubudala noDineo Masuku weminyaka ema-20 ubudala batholakale babulewe. Umphakathi uthwele imikhono ehloko, bathi ubulelesi bubonakala buthwelela elokutshini.
Lot of crime in Gamagugu. Many people are complaining about this crime. They're breaking in their house. Even my house, they came.
Amapholisa athi iphenyo labo langaphambi kwesikhathi esihlakalweni sokubulala lesi lijengisa ukuthi abomama babulewe ngokukhanywa.
At the scene, what we found, the doors were locked, and then we asked the Mbombela disaster to assist. When we opened, the house has been ransacked, and the lady was found half naked. The old lady was found half naked and laying on the down, facing down. Then we proceeded to the bedroom when we find the 20-year-old girl being tied, hands tied with a cable tie. It is suspected that she might be have been strangled, but we are still investigating.
Akakho umuntu obotshiweko bekube nje.
Amapholisa weMpumalanga athome iphenyo ngemva kokutsha kwembhesi ezilithumi zakwaBasco eDebuye eBarberton eMpumalanga namhlanje ekseni. Akunabantu abalimeleko namkha ababhubhileko ababikiweko. Kukholwa bona ibhesi yinye ilumethe umlilo. Abogadi bagijimela ukuyokuhlola babe babiza bemcima mlilo kwaba kulumatha kwezinye imbhesi ezilithoba.
Amakhulukhulu abakhweli bembhesi zakwaBasco eBarberton basele baleni ngemva kokutsha kwembhesi ezilithumi. Ekampani le ilayitsha abakhweli abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezili-150 qobe lilanga. Abaphathi beBasco bathi balahlekelwe izingidigidi zamaranda.
Ma-seats la 1520 kwakhona ke at least sikhonile ke kuthiwe lamabhasi bangu-8 lama-train buses bantu balayishekile.
Kukhutshwe ezinye imbhesi ezilayitsha abakhweli ekseni. Ekampani le ithi ayikuzokuphayela eqadi ikholakalo yobulelesi ekutshisweni kwembhesi esikanti amapholisa aphenyo unobangela womlilo lo.
Lethimba lelibekiwe labantu labaceceshiwe litawubuka ukuthi ngabe kukhona isandla semfene emva kwalesigameko noma mhlawumbe umlilo nje lokucalile. Siyathemba ukuthi ekugcineni sitawuthola impendulo tonke lesikufunako.
IBasco ithi kuqinisekiswa zokuphepha kiwo wonke amadebha wembhesi.
Ungqongqoshe wezemisebenzi yomphakathi nomthangalosisekelo uDean McPherson uthi indawo yesehlakalo lapha kugirike khona umakhiwo wethempeli eyenzeke ehlagwini yeDurban inikelwa amapholisa nomnyango wezemisebenzi ukuthi kuphenywe ngokupheleleko unobangela wokugirika kwamakhiwo lo. UMcPherson utsho lokhu nabekathula umbiko ephenyo lokuthoma elenziweko ukuthola unobangela wehlekelelele.
Inteze zinelo uwena bekuthelwa iconcrete isitezi siphezulu somakhiwo kanti kuqinisekiswa ukuthi uMasipalata weThekwini waphaya isibawo sokwakhiwa komakhiwo lwamahlandla amabili kanti ithempeli le yakhiwa ngokungemthetho.
Preliminary evidence including available video footage points to a sudden structural failure most likely triggered by a formwork or shuttering failure during the pumping of wet concrete.
Iphenyo selelenziwe liveza ukuthi kube nobudlapha nakwakhiwa umakhiwo zintezi zinelo.
Story building was erected without the necessary approvals from eThekwini municipality, and the unauthorized work was not observed during the course of construction.
We have established that when the building collapsed, they were undertaking the pouring of cement on the top levels. There were no vibrators that were used to ensure proper compaction and to avoid that air entrapment does not occur.
UMcPherson uthi bazokunikelwa isekelo abalihloka bonke laba bathindekileko.
Our focus remains clear and unwavering to support affected families and communities, to ensure full accountability and to prevent a tragedy of this nature from occurring again.
Kanti uthi kuzokubizwa isiqhema esaphenyo ukuwa komakhiwo eGeorge ngo-2024 ukuthi sizokusiza ngephenyo.
Ikhotho kaMagistrata wePulukwane imdime ibail umvumo welikompo ulihlohonolo Chauke owaziwa ngelikaShebe Mabhena. Ikhotho ifumene bona uShebe angekhe aphiwa ibail ngonobangela ukuthi zonke ingidi ezithindeka emacaleni wokulinga ukubulala athweswe wona azikafunyanwa. uShebe uzokuhlala emaseleni bekube zin-18 kumhlolanja umnyaka ozako lokho amapholisa nakasaphenyako. Uthweswe amacala amathathu okulinga ukubulala lokufunyanwa nesigidi esingasemthethweni kunye nokubetha ngehloso yokulimaza.
The accused victims were mostly his supporters, and the gigs that defense counsel referred to are held in public. Therefore, members of the public may not be safe in that as they approach him in order to greet him or whatever the circumstances, then such violent response happened to be unleashed by the applicant in the circumstances.
Ubujamo bushugulukile ngemva kokuthi ikhotho kaMagistrate Polokwane idime uShebe ibhayili. Ikhotho ifunde wonke amacala alithoba neyikhupha isiqundo. Ikhotho izobona ngezi 18 kuMrhayili 2025 kusola bona wahla ungazimbi ngebhodlelo eMankweng. Ngosilabanangana ka2023 kusola bona wakhuphela ungazimbi isigidi eliwaqhomu. Icala botshelelo nakhathisi kusola bona uDumuzi walimaza umlandeli lakhe eladana ngoSewula. Kusola bona uphule namafestere wekoloyi wathi wasicala lokona impahla. Umagistrate uGodfrey Nechuzi uTushebe ubhalele ukutshengisa bona kufanele anikele ibhayili. Urage wathi uShebe angeke anikele ibhayili ngoba ngabuyelela kwenze lokho njengombana bongazimbi bakhe kubalandeli bakhe.
Accused, I'm informed by the state that this case has to be postponed. The date is the 18th of February 2026 for further investigation. The case is therefore so postponed and you will be in custody.
INPA Limpopo isamukele isiqulo sekhotho.
He failed to adduce the reason which can satisfy the courts to release him on bail. Remember that in court there were lots of charges which has been given to the court that by the time when he was released on bail in different courts, he was committing further offenses.
Kandihlangano yabavumi iLimpopo Artist Movement izwakalisa ukudana ikhola bona uShebe akaphathwa kuhle.
Re le mokgatlo wa Limpopo Artist Movement re tloga re nyamile kudu ka bakala ba biakanyi ba meletlo ba senyaka le ke tšhelete ntšhi kudu so ne ba investile go dimoga Shebe Mabena be rena le tshepo ya gore mamotlhale khoro e tla molokolla mara o ka re khoro re bona e tšea letlhakore because melato mongwe ke ya gale wa ya gale ba sa motshwara nako tse ka moka o ka re bentse ba mmile le itlhoro ba nya go tšea talent ya rena ya ka mo province ba ishe ka Torongong.
uShebe Mabena kulindele kubona buye khotho umnyaka ozako ngezi 18 kuMhlolanja.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uvule umhlangano wokuthoma ngehlelo lethungelelwano hlanganiso akhulumisana nabaholi bamazwe aseSouth Africa. uRamaphosa uthi kufanele kuqalelelwe phambili iMadagascar enentshijilo zezombusazwe kwakhiwe netshebiswano levikeleko lamazwe la.
Our SADC protocol on politics, defense and security cooperation, we seek to promote and maintain peace, security, democracy and political stability in our region. The protocol also calls for solidarity amongst our people. Over the past years, we have made progress towards achieving these goals, notably with respect to consolidating democracy, promoting good governance, ensuring electoral integrity, and deepening a culture of human rights. At the same time, political and security challenges continue to plague parts of our region. The situation in the eastern DRC remains of great concern. We also stand in solidarity with the government and the people of Mozambique in their quest for stability and security in the Cabo Delgado province.
Nasibuya entolo. AmaNdebele wakwaNzunza alungiselela ukuyogidinga isikhumuzo seNgwenyama uNyabela konomtshahelo eRosenekal ukuthoma kusasa. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundile kwindaba eziyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Abalandeli bomrhatsho we-SABC Kwekwezi FM abavela eMpumalanga nakezinye indawo baphume ngobuningi bazogidinga neKwekwezi FM ngabonongorana ebathumbileko. Abalaleli bomrhatsho lo bathi iKwekwezi FM mrhatsho wabo, yeke basazokuragela phambili nokuyisekela iKwekwezi FM. Abaphathi bomrhatsho nabalaleli bathi lokhu kuncani okukhulu kuseza. Abonongorana abathunjwe iKwekwezi FM ngeveke pheleko ngebe Telkom Radio Awards kanti umnyanya wokugidinga bawubanjelwe eKhulisile Palace eMpumalanga.
Makhulukhulu abalaleli beKwekwezi FM abathe bangezwe igama lokuthi iKwekwezi iza kubalaleli bayo izokuthokoza nabo. Bachiya konke bebakwenza bachinga lapho. Bafike ngobunengi endaweni yokuledla empumelelweni lapho bazogidinga khona nomrhatsho wendandokazi zabo. Umphathi wemrhatsho ye-SABC eMpumalanga uNkosinathi Nduli uthuthokoza abalaleli. Uthi iye khona zikhona intshijilo umrhatsho okhamba uhlangabezana nazo. Utinanyana kunjalo abonongorwana abathathe kubalwa kiwo nomrhatsho ophuma phambili abathunjwe iKwekwezi FM bufakazi bokuthi amagalelo omrhatsho ayezwakala begodwa nabalaleli bayawusekela.
Bangadinwa ngithi ke kodwa baragele phambili nokuthi bawusekela umrhatsho ngoba nomrhatsho ngabalaleli begodwa umrhatsho ngabasebenzisani nababelana abahlukahlukeneko abafaka hlangana abasomabhizinisi abafaka hlangana ama stakeholders anjenge Taxi Association.
Abarhatshi bathabe kangako
okunenge okusezako basitshengisile ukuthi amandebela ayakhona, amandebela angakhona ukuthi afike phezulu abese siqongolweni.
Abalaleli siyabathembisa ukuthi bahlale basilelele ngaso sonke isikhathi, sizobanikela amahlelo aphuma phambili ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Abavumi nabo bathi lokhu kutsho okukhulu kibo.
Umrhatsho ubaluleke kakhulu kithi abavumi iKwekwezi FM isithuthukise kakhulu. Nakungimi umrhatsho iKwekwezi FM ungikhulisile ngisesemncane.
Abalaleli bazwakala isithabo.
Ngijabule ukudlula enemihlobo yonke nengena ekuKwekwezi. Hayi ngizwe ngijabula ngoba ngizwa amaSwati, amaXhosa, abaPedi bangena ku-FM nabeZimbabwe.
Sigidinga ukuthumba kweKwekwezi ukuba umrhatsho ophuma phambili kwimrhatsho yonke eSouth Africa.
Abaphathi beKwekwezi FM bathi esikhathini esizako bafuna abonongorwana aba bakhamseleleke nakamanye amahlelo omrhatsho lo endabeni ze-SABC. NginguComfort Masombuka.
Ingwenyama yamandebele uMakhaseke wesibili uthi imithetho eminingi ekubuswa ngayo ilizwe ayibasebenzile abantu abanzima. Uthi iningi lemithetho le yakhelwe khulu phezu kwemithetho yamaRoma neyeDutch eyaziwa ngeRoman Dutch law. Ingwenyama icho lokhu ekulumeni yesidlo santambama ebesengwenyameni eMpumalanga. Igaladina le beyikhanjelwe nazinkhulu ezibuya embusweni. uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Qobe eminyaka banje lapha esigodlweni. Isidlwesi sikhanjelwa amakhosi namakhosana inkhulu zembusweni, abavumi, amalunga omphakathi, abosomabhizinisi nabanye ababelana ukuzokuzwa inkulumo engwenyama uMakhoseke wesibili. Hlangana nokhunye ingwenyama ezwakalisa ukuguguneka ngakho. Imithetho elizwelethe yakhelwe phezu kweRoman Dutch law. Uthi imithetho le soligandelela abantu abanzima.
Into yemithetho le iyasilimaza. Siveregisa khulukhulu iRoman Dutch law and law of evidence. Sithi no. Asithuthukiseni nathi our own customary law to be equals to Roman Dutch law. Kupalapi. Asintibeteni le ndaba. Kupalapi. Kupalanga basifundi ifunda amakuwa. Ngicela siyilise zokufunda yethu. Sikwazi developer our own customary law.
Kanti isekela likaNgqongqoshe wezokuthuthukiswa kwamabhizinisi amancane uJames Thole uphumelele naye wabeka nganasindlela.
We are committed to strengthening this partnership and to ensure that traditional councils become engines of investment, entrepreneurship and job creation.
Amalunga omphakathi aveza kuzwileko ngenkulumo engwenyama.
Ngijabule khulu namhlanje ngokuzwa inkulumo yengwenyama akhuluma ngamahlelo eseke ayenziweko ngaphakathi esichabeni samandebele. Sithokozile khulu konke esikuzwileko namhlanje kuyasithuthuzela abanyana sine future kukhona esicalileko sicale itutuko yamandebele and namhlanje kusikhomisile ukuthi we are on the right track.
Ingwenyama lila nangamakhosi athengisela abantu intanda ngokungemthetho khulukhulu enarheni zemakhaya. Kanti ke ithi umkhwalo kufanele uruthule nemrajana khona. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngisengwenyameni eMpumalanga.
Inkulungwane ngenkulungwane zamandebele alindeleke bona abuthane eholweni ukuthoma kusasa ukuyogidinga isikhumbuzo sengwenyama yamandebele wakwanzunza eyalwa ipi yokuvikela inarha nesitjhaba ekusahlelweni imbuso wamakhuwa ngesikhathi eso eRosenegal eLimpopo.
Endonjeni kunomtjharhelo isitjhaba sakwanzunza safika ngemva kokudlula kwepi kaMzilikazi kaMachobane sidosa phambili ngonyama umabhoko wokuthoma. Kulapha isitjhaba siyokuphahla khona kibokhokho baso kuphazime ngembala yesindebele kulile inodo kusitshayini sondo. Kulapha amandebele alwa ipi nombuso weTransvaal kaPewula uPaul Kruger owayengumengameli namajoni akhe ayiphethwe nguJobero General Piet Joubert. Ukubulawa kwengenyama yamapedi usikhukhune ngesandla sikamntwana kwaBomampuru wesibili ngikho kwaletha ipi kwaMabhoko. Ingwenyama uNyabela yavikela uMampuru ngokutshela uJobero wathi ngimginyile uMampuru bulala mina umkhuphe ngendeni. Ipi yadosa inyanga ezibunane ngo-1882 kwaba ngo-1883 kwagcina ngokubotshwa kwamakhosi uNyabela noMampuru. Indawo le yamenyezelwa umbuso webandlululo bona ibe yindawo yamagugu. Ingwenyama uNyabela waba umuntu onzima wokuthoma wokwenzela isithombe esibunjiweko sahlonywa khona lapha ngo-1970. Isikhumbuzo sibanje qobe eminyaka ngelanga ahlongakala ngalo. Solo kwango-1970 ingwenyama ebusako ihlangelwe baholi bemkhakha ihlukahlukeneko ithula ikulumo yayo yelanga esitjhabeni. Kuzabe kunjalo nanonyaka ilanga likhanyisile unzunza umabhoko wesithathu kaMayitsha uzokwethula ikulumo. Kulindeleka abaholi bembusweni weMpumalanga neLimpopo nabanye abavela kude neduze.
Kezemidlalo seyifikile edoyelweni labo Fly Bafana Bafana kanti umthwalo usebhokweni iya eMorocco namhlanje kuAfcon ifiselwe ichudu.
Encouragement and support to Bafana Bafana who is off to AFCON. You are the pride of South Africa. Go out there, play your heart out and make South Africa proud.
We actually recognize the significance of this platform, not only as a celebration of sporting excellence, but as a powerful symbol of unity, resilience, and African pride.
Play with pride, unity, and fearless determination. South Africa is behind you every step of the way, and your journey to the AFCON is a testament to your hard work, discipline, and teamwork.
We are ready, everyone is ready, the technical team is ready, the support staff is ready, and we believe that we're actually going to go all the way. That's what we want to do.
Siyalochisa ngelesithathu endambama malivulile ngapha ngeTshengalanga kanti amathuba nge-30% egwini elingaleke ngeCape Town kanti nasithi siyaqala manengi hle amathuba wezulu kwaZulu Natal nge-80% ukuchinga kezinye indawo zangale ngeMpumalanga kuthi ke endaweni ezinengi ngeGauteng eNorthwest nangale ngeLimpopo silithole izulu ngamathuba alinganiselwa ku-60% nakusasa pheze kusesenjalo ke khulukhulu ke ngalenga kwaZulu Natal nekungu ikhona ekseni nesifundeni seMpumalanga ukuthi ke amanye amathuba wezulu esifundeni seGauteng nangalenga kuboLimpopo atholakala nge-60%. Silemukiso lesesitholileko imjijo iduma kumbi nezulu likhulu hle ngalenga kwaZulu Natal njengoba sibonile nge-80% nakusasa ke pheze kusesenjalo sicala lapha ke amazinga okuchisa sithome ngapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng lifuthumele endaweni ezinengi iPitori nge-26 neBroncosprey iJohannesburg nge-24 iLimpopo ke ibonakala ipholile endaweni ezinengi iMkopane nalapha eliphalale ngakufuthumele ke ngokuchisa esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga nakhona ke kupholile lapha ke eMelo Middleburg kumakhazana pheze imini yonke nimbathe nifuthumele kwaZulu Natal lesibonile ukuthi nezulu elinengi Pietermaritzburg neKokstad zimakhaza neVryheid Richards Bay yona ke ifuthumele nge-24 Mpumalanga Kapa ke yona ibonakala ipholile lapha kuBocongwe neEast London endaweni ezinengi Graaff-Reinet yona ke ifuthumele nge-29 kukusasa lapha ke eJingalanga Kapa eCape Town ifuthumele kamnandi nge-25 kuthi kezinye indawo njengalapha eHermanus sibona kupholile eNorthern Cape nakhona ke bonakala kufuthumele eSutherland ezinye indawo zonke kuyachisa iyachisa khulukhulu e-Uppington nge-36 eFreystata ibonakala ke chisa nakhona endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha ke eFrankfurt angithi lapha eBethlehem yona ke ithu kufuthumala iNorthwest leya ke na iyachisa endaweni eziningi kuseClassdorp lapho sibona khona ke kufuthumele kanti ke asibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido